if Q stands for this meal is delicious and R stands for busy people do not eat, write each of the following in symbolic form. In part A, it says this meal is delicious. So if this meal is delicious, we're going to call that Q because that's what Q stands for. And then R stands for busy people that do not eat, and it says and busy people do not eat. So therefore, it's going to be listed as R. Now, the word and, okay, we have to figure out which symbol it is. Well, it's going to be this symbol here. And we know that Q stays the same and R stays the same, so it's going to be B. So that's going to be Q and R, or this meal is delicious and busy people do not eat. Okay, now, the next thing says, busy people do not eat. Well, that represents R, so that's what's listed first. Then we have the or as a connector, and then this meal is not delicious. Well, this meal is not delicious is the negation of Q. So therefore, we're going to start with the letter R, and then we're going to use the or symbol, and then the negation of Q. So it looks like it's going to be A, and there's our result. Now let's take a look at C. Now it is false that both this meal is delicious and busy people do not eat. Now it is false that both means that you're containing both of those in parentheses, because you're saying that this meal is false, that this meal is delicious and busy people do not eat. So that means you're saying you're negating as an and statement. So it's going to be negate parentheses Q and R. So we're going to select that one, and there's your result. Next, this says that this meal is not delicious. So that means that this meal is delicious, and that stands for Q, so that's going to be the negation of Q. So we're going to select negation of Q.